How to permanently delete your Instagram account without knowing your password. For more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, I'll explain the motivation. You want to delete your Instagram account, but you do not know currently, or you forgot your current password, and this is how you do that exactly. First off, fire off your Instagram application and then go to your bottom right or profile button and then choose settings from the hamburger on the top right and go to help, choose help, click it and then choose help center. From there, manage your account, and from there go to delete your account with a cross shape. And in this page, basically a description of how to delete your Instagram account and how it works, what's the deletion process. After that, go to delete your account and choose from the drop down whichever option you have. There are multiple options available, like too busy, created a second account, too many ads. I'll choose something else and then just click forgot password with a blue text. Click it, and depending on your current username, you can sign on using your phone number or using your email. You can choose whichever one that you have. If you are signing your account with your email, then the confirmation link will be sent on your email. If you are doing it on your phone, if you are giving Instagram your phone number, then an SMS will be sent to your phone. Go check the message, and from the message there are links that have been posted by Instagram. Open it on Instagram application or your browser, doesn't matter which. Go create a new password with the Instagram password rule, and after that choose reset password. Then delete your account again, then follow the same process. Go back to the help center, choose help, go to your help center, choose manage your account again, and then go to delete your account. Go scroll to the bottom, choose delete your account again. From the drop down, choose the option again and enter your password that you have been created just now. And right after that, you can choose click delete and then your username, and from there you can disable your account. And that's how you permanently delete your Instagram account without knowing your password. As always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure you subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. Cheers YouTube, take care and goodbye.